In this video, let's see how to run effect only once. Go to VS Code and make a new file in the component folder, that is mousehooks.jsx. In this file, I use React snippet to create a functional component, that is refce. Then let's create two state variable for x and y. X, comma, corresponding setter function, that is setX, with initialization of 0. Then we import the use state. Also use effect. Then also create a variable for y and corresponding setter function. Set y with the initialization of 0. Then in the JSX, let's render the coordinate values x and y. So to render, mouse x minus, and let's call the x value, y minus, let's call the y value. Then we need to add the event listener for mouse event. So go to the use effect function and let's make use effect. Inside use effect, we call the function and we use the arrow function. Then inside this list console log, use effect called. Use effect accept an argument, that is as a function. So let's add the event listener in the use effect, that is window dot add event listener, and the name of the event, mouse event, that is mouse move, and we should pass the function, that is let's mouse move handle mouse move. Then let's define the function above the render method. Then const handle mouse move equals to event. Then we also use arrow function, then console.log, that is mouse event. After that, let's update the state value of x and y. Set x e dot client x, also for set y, that is e dot client y. Then let's clear the code. Let's save it and import on the main component, that is mouse event, mouse hooks. Let's get back to the browser. So to run the project, go to your terminal and change it to your app name, that is contact. Then type npm start. Install your project on the browser. Initially, this mouse x 0, mouse y. When I move the mouse, in the console.log, we see when I move mouse, the use effect is called every time. This is not surprising. This is what we learned in the previous video. So, once to achieve that, simply add second parameter to the use effect. Let's get back to the VS Code and add second parameter in the use effect, that is as an array. So let's save and head toward the browser. Let's refresh and move the mouse. So only mouse event is called. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.